Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Michelle Brain and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing this topknotbun tutorial, or at least how I do it within a few minutes. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more of hairstyles that I do. So first we're going to start with some hair oil. Then we're going to take out some of our edges that we want, some of our babies. And this look is like a girl's lunch or solo lunch, especially since it's Valentine's Day. So you can actually do this. This is very quick. I did it within like 5 minutes. So this is really nice to do. So this is actually very self-explanatory. So I'm going to let you guys see how it's done, and also put on some music for you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment as well and how you like the video. And thank you to all the supporters that I have. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch how I do the video, or how I do this look. So yeah, see you guys in a few minutes.
Shaquille.